me something, it might just take the pain away. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wondering to you late.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Thank you for coming in today for another video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, give this video a like, watch the videos to the end, and I do appreciate you spending a little time with me today. If this is your first time, this is a skincare channel where I teach you guys about your skincare, and I try to bring you guys good products that will allow you to achieve beautiful skin. SassyOver55.com is my website. It is a backup to my YouTube channel. The things that I do not talk about on this channel, you will definitely find them on the website. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a giveaway, a highlighted product, and we are going to be doing an unboxing for you. So let's talk about the giveaway first. And this giveaway is for my Canadian subscribers only. Every time I do a giveaway, it's always international, and somebody out of Canada always wins. So I want to be able to keep this within Canada this time, okay, because I do have a few Canadian subscribers. You are going to be receiving this Juicy Balm lip gloss. This is from Essence. This is a 3-piece glass nail set you would be receiving as well. This is a skin brightening vitamin E face mask you would be receiving. And this is a ultra soft makeup removal towel. You're going to be receiving this as well. And so these are 4 things that's going to be coming in the giveaway. All of the information is on SassyOver55.com. And I'm going to be throwing in something extra in that giveaway. It could be a t-shirt. It could be a $50 gift card from Sephora. It could be a $100 gift card from Sephora. It could be anything. Just stay connected with me. Always stay on the website. There's always giveaways going on. And this is going to be a fantastic giveaway for my Canadian subscribers. And so the product highlight we're going to be talking about next is from Vasanti. I've talked about this product before. This is my 3rd week going into using this product, and I absolutely love what I see. Okay, I have used many skincare products on my face, and they have achieved great results. Great results. My voice is lowering right now because I just love this brand so much. And this is a discovery brand to me, and this is from the drugstore. You can really guys, I'm telling you, you do not have to go high end to find good skincare to achieve clear, beautiful, supple skin. It's all in the drugstore. This is from Vasanti, and this is the Brighten Up Aloe Cleanser. When I'm using a cleanser, this is exactly how I want this cleanser to feel on my skin. This is exactly how I want this cleanser to smell. And it's most importantly the performance, and this smells wonderful. You get a beautiful light soft lather on your face. It smells like roses, but very subtle. It smells absolutely wonderful. This is the cleanser. This is a full size, and this is the toner, but this is a sample size that I'm trying right now, and this smells lovely. This reminds me of the micellar water from Sephora, where the minute you put this on your face, of course, a sponge, okay? When you put this on your face, it immediately zaps and removes and pulls out all of the extra dirt that's lodged in the bottom of your pores. This is an amazing toner. I am going to be definitely buying the full size when this is finished. It's always important sometimes to buy to get samples, or to buy the sample products just to make sure it's working for you. This is amazing. And of course, this is a Brighten Up moisturizer. So it's just a basically 3-piece system. So if you're watching today for the first time and you are thinking about starting your skincare journey and taking care of your skin, because you do have some patchiness, some blotchiness, some uneven skin tone, start with this product. Okay, you can start with a 3-piece system from Fenty Beauty, or you can go with this 3-piece system from Vasanti, and this is the drugstore brand. This is not as expensive as the Fenty Beauty, but you are going to be receiving great results from this brand. Trust me when I tell you, I'm not getting paid to do all of this. This is my own research that I'm doing, and everything that I find in the drugstore that works really well, I'm sharing with you guys, and these are already on SassyOver55.com. And if you wish to try the sample packs, go to Shoppers Drug Mart and pick up the sample if you want to try it first. The sample pack is only 19 bucks, and this is probably going to last you at least 2 months depending on how you use it, and you are going to achieve great results before you decide to go to buy the full size. You will not regret it, trust me. So let's unbox for you right now. These are a set of brushes I picked up from Amazon, and this is an 18-piece professional makeup brush set. It's the BS Mall brand. I'm not sure if you can be able to see that. It's 18 pieces, and all of the brushes are on the back of the box. So you do have a powder brush, face brush, angle brush, tapered brush, multifunction brush, angle detail brush, eyeshadow combination brush, mini flame brush, whatever mini flame means, flat angled eyeshadow brush, precision crease brush, classic eyeshadow brush, lip brush, concealer brush, eyeshadow brush and eyelash brush, small lip brush, detail brush, eyeliner brush. Okay, so let's just open this up and we're going to show you guys. This is from Amazon, okay, and it comes in a lovely little packaging right here for you guys, okay, nice little packaging. And I've already removed the plastic just to save time. And one of the things that I've done was I was picking at the brushes to see if the bristles are gonna be coming off, and they didn't come off at all. You can even store them in this little container, and you can leave these on your vanity, on your PAX wardrobe system, in your beauty room. And the brushes seems to be very, very, very nice. I'm just gonna pull them out right now, okay? Again, this is a solid storage. You can just leave them in here. So here are the brushes, and guys, they feel so good. You do have this purple and silver detail right there. No scent to them. Maybe just a slight little scent, but I mean, it's from the packaging anyways. And I mean, look at that. I mean, the brushes are amazing. And of course, this is the concealer brush right here. And this is probably the angled brush, but again, it's all in the back of the box. So you're gonna see exactly what the brushes are for. And again, they feel really good. So let me just put the small ones down for now. Okay. So these are maybe a precision brush, angle brush, powder brush, and all of that stuff, concealer brush. And I was pulling at the bristles to see if they were gonna fall apart, but they are not. They feel really, really good. Because I mean, I do have a couple of brushes from a set that I purchased from Amazon a long time ago. I have 1 or 2 of them left. But again, every once in a while, it's always good to replace your brushes. And I'm hoping these are going to last a long time, and I'm hoping that they're going to wash well anyways. They feel so good. So if you're someone who is just starting a YouTube channel, or you want to do some makeup videos, start with these brushes. It's 18 pieces. It was not very expensive. I'm going to leave the price in the description box for you guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, look at the shape of this one. Very interesting shape. I have never seen a brush with this shape before. I'm not quite sure if this is for your concealer or what this is for, but the shape of this is very, very interesting. Okay. And of course, this is the smallest set right here. You do have the flat brush, you do have the eyeshadow brushes right here, and you do have the lip brush. Okay, and I do like this little one here for some reason. So if you're using your gel liquid eyeliners, it's very easy for you to go in and do your wing eyeliners with this one. I am going to be using the hell out of this. This is really nice. And of course, you do have the your eyeshadow brushes right here. The brushes are very nice, and of course you do have this flat brush where you can just define under your eyeshadow, under your eyebrows. And the flat brush, I always appreciate a flat brush. So for example, if you're doing, let's say, a cut crease, this is going to just put the product exactly where you want it. And yeah, the brushes are very good. And so there are 2 flat brushes that you do get in this kit, and they are right here. Okay, again, 18 pieces. This is from Amazon. You guys will definitely appreciate these brushes. They feel really good. They feel really substantial in my hand. And again, like I said, I really do hope they last a long time. But the brush heads feels absolutely amazing, and you can just store them in this little holder, and it looks really nice, like I said, on your vanity, in your bathroom, in your guest bathroom, in your beauty room, on your Pax wardrobe system. It looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, really, really cute. Again, from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys so you can pick up these brushes, and I'm hoping that they are going to last a long time. And again, this is the little packaging right here. So if you want to get on Amazon, it's a BS Mall, M-A-L-L, 18-piece professional makeup brush set. Not quite sure if you will be able to see that. Okay, but of course I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. So we are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoy. Everything we talk about will be in the description box. Don't forget to check out the giveaway that's on sassyover55.com, and please come back next week for another video. And thank you so much for joining, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.